Gujarat. Gujarat is a state in Western India, also known as the Jewel of Western India. Gujarat is a land full of variety, vibrance, thriving cities, rich heritage, and vibrant culture. It is also referred as the land of Gandhi. Right from music, art, architecture, and food, Gujarat is a vibrant and lively state where people love to enjoy life, share their wisdom, and build great legacy for their upcoming generations. The state is bordered by Rajasthan to the north, Maharashtra to the south, Madhya Pradesh to the east, and the Arabian Sea to the west. Gujarat has a huge coastline of 1600 kilometers and is divided into three major parts. Gujarat is a major industrial hub due to its coastline. It has many ports, beaches, islands, and outstanding natural beauty. The state's administrative center is Ahmedabad, which is also the largest and historic city of Gujarat. Gandhinagar is the capital of Gujarat and a very well planned city. Gandhinagar is also known for its wide roads, greenery, and the architecture. Other major cities of Gujarat are Vadodara, Surat, Rajkot, Morbi, Bhavnagar, and Jamnagar. Lakshmi Vilas Palace from Vadodara, textile industry from Surat, manufacturing industries across the Gujarat, oil and gas industry, and ceramic industry from Morbi are very well known across the world. Festivals like Navratri, Holi, Diwali, Makar Sankranti are major festivals and celebrated all across the Gujarat. We all know about the Khakra, Fafda, Thepla, Khandvi, and Patra, which are some amazing Gujarati delicacies and now famous all over the world. Gujaratis are ethnic group whose roots derive from Gujarati people and who speaks Gujarati language. Gujarat has a number of beautiful medieval Hindu temples including Dwarka, Akshardham in Gandhinagar, Sri Somnath Jyotirling Temple, Pavagad, and Veerpur Jalaram Temple. The most popular tourist destination in Gujarat are Gir National Park, Kutch, Sri Somnath Jyotirling Temple, beautiful historic city Ahmedabad, Statue of Unity, Modhera Sun Temple, Sabarmati Ashram, Champaner, Nilkant Dham, Poicha Temple, Lakshmi Vilas Palace from Vadodara, Lothal, Akshardham in Gandhinagar, Nal Lake and Girnar, and many more. Gir Forest is a wildlife sanctuary in the heart of Gujarat. This place is famous for its population of Asiatic lions. The awe-inspiring Kutch Desert is the perfect place to visit with friends, families, and for all kind of adventures. This place is dotted with small islands called kasbahs and a picturesque location with its wide expanses of white sand. Statue of Unity, which is the tallest statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was one of the famous freedom fighters, was built by Indian government. Gujarat is the safest place to visit, sweetest people to meet who are living joyful lives, expert in their business and known for their love for food and celebration. It's a beautiful conglomeration of rich cultural heritage, art lovers, peace lovers, and a hub of warm welcoming people for all kind of religion, language and culture. So, when you are planning your trip to Gujarat, do let us know in the comments below. Also, let us know where you are from and what is the special thing you love about your native place. Also, do check out our playlist India for information about all states of India. If you want to watch more such awesome videos and be notified when I release them, do hit the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family WhatsApp groups and make them also proud to be part of India. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.